Hello guys, here is I have iPad 10 generation, and this iPad is probably screen is cracked, and I'm going to show you how to replace the screen. You can see there's camera side on top side, that is RAM on side, the screen connection side. And now we're going to turn off the iPad first, and now we're going to remove this screen. Top side is screen connection side, so we're going to start from bottom. First apply some heat, and then we're going to remove with this knife. We're going to slowly lift it up. There is two layer. Downside is LCD and top side is digitizer. You can see. Just put the knife middle of that screen and just keep heat and remove slowly. We don't want to break the inside LCD, so just we're gonna remove the digitizer. When it's cracked more, it's very hard to remove it. When it's break little bit glass, it's easy to remove it. So we keep doing like that. Just apply heat and remove it. And iPad 10 and 11 are same screen digitizer. Whoever has iPad 10 and 11 is same screen, same digitizer speed, and you can fix same way. So you already removed this broken digitizer, and now we're gonna clean this side so we can remove a screw easily. And now we're gonna remove all the screw. This all screw are same. Just take one magnet so you can remove easily, and you need T3 screwdriver. And when you have magnet on screwdriver on front, so you can remove a screw easily. And this black screw also same screwdriver you need it. We're almost done. Remove all screw. Now we're gonna remove the LCD. iPad 11, here is 3 screw, right side and left side, and iPad 10 is only top and bottom side is screw. Now we're gonna remove this LCD. We're gonna lift it up slowly. We don't want to break the LCD, and we already lifting up. And there is the connection, LCD connection we have to remove. There is 2 screw, and these both are star screw. We have to remove it. From this panel we have to remove it also. Now we're gonna disconnect the LCD connection, and slowly gonna lift it up. We separate the LCD, and now we're gonna remove this digitizer connection. First we're gonna remove the sensor and microphone. The left side one we're gonna remove the connection, and right one is camera connection. We don't need to remove that one. And there is 2 screw, we have to remove it. Digitizer connection, we separate the digitizer connection, and there is 2 connection, we have to remove it. Digitizer connection. Now I'm gonna remove this microphone and sensor with the plastic. With the knife we're gonna remove slowly, and we separate already the sensor. Now you're gonna put it back again, and we're gonna put it back screw also. We don't have to do anything here, and camera side already clean, so we just when we put the digitizer, we just put down, that's it. And we already separate the digitizer and remove everything. Now we're gonna clean all side nicely. Make sure there is no broken glass on side. If you have any broken glass little bit, when you install the digitizer, if you press it, it's going to break the digitizer. So make sure you clean it nicely. And we're going to clean it previous glue also. We already removed everything, and we're gonna take a final look. Make sure there is no previous glue or broken glass. We already clean it, but we're gonna try again. Make sure there is no broken glass. We already cleaned it everything. Here is the new digitizer. We're gonna remove this plastic, and all side has a tape, double side tape. So we don't want to remove this white paper right now. First we're gonna connect the digitizer. There is two connection. We're gonna connect nicely and smoothly. Already connect both of them. Now we're gonna put a back screw. And there is also LCD connection. We have to connect it. Then we're gonna put back this panel, steel panel, and screw. We already connect the LCD, and now we're gonna put back two screw. We are done here. Now we're gonna put back the LCD and the one screw to tight LCD. Then we're gonna check the screen, make sure it's working fine. Digitizer and LCD, everything come back. The iPad is turned on now. And now we're gonna swipe up and see touch is working. Yes, touch is working. Don't know the password, so just check the password number, and touch is working. Hopefully everything is fine. And now you're gonna put back all the screw. All the screw are same. Top side is black and bottom side is white screw. And this screwdriver is T3 screwdriver. After put back all the screw, we're gonna clean everything with this tape, so if there is any dust or anything is come back with this tape. So we clean nicely. And now I'm gonna remove this white paper. Under that there is glue, so we just remove it now. And camera side, we don't wanna do it now. We're gonna put it back. We're gonna remove later on. There is one plastic under the digitizer. We're gonna remove this one. There is some dust coming up. We have to remove that. Yeah, now you're gonna install the digitizer. First we're gonna do it on bottom side. Down side we're gonna do it and press it down. Make sure it's on center. Yeah, it's on center. Make sure. And top side. Now we're gonna remove this white pepper and cleaning all white pepper there. And now I'm gonna install on top side. And there is sensor. Make sure it's on middle side. Then we're gonna press it down the screen. And now all side we're gonna press it down hardly with the finger. Make sure it's tighten up and glue is attached with the body nicely. And the towel paper we're gonna do it, also press it down. Try again, swipe up, see, make sure touch is working again. Yeah, touch is working. Yeah, that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it. Thank you for watching.